I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be installing a water wave wig from Luvme Hair Company. And by the way, today's video is in collaboration with Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. Okay, so let's quickly do an unboxing so that you know what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. So this is their lovely packaging. I'm obsessed with this packaging. I love the purple and the gold and the bow, of course. So let me open it. The first thing that you're gonna get, this is how it looks. The first thing that you're gonna get is this little love letter. I love these. It says enjoy your hair journey from now on, from Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. That's what's written there. So this is what I got from Luvme Hair: a white comb, these 3D mink lashes, this Luvme hair scarf, so cute. This is so cute. Okay, there's still more, guys. There's still more. Okay, bobby pins, and this nice hair pin that's written Luvme Hair. Can you see it? Yes, it's written Luvme Hair with diamantes. Right. So this is a closure wig, you guys. It is a water wave wig. I love these curls. They are so soft, they are bouncy, and let me show you how it looks inside and how many combs it has. As I mentioned, it is a closure wig. I love the fact that it has an extra headband, and then also it has this, I think you can see them, this extra two. It has a comb over here, and then it has a comb right here as well. Okay, it has about 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. Everything looks well done inside. It is also very soft inside. I love the fact that it's very full without me doing anything to it. I think you guys can see the volume. I love these waves, you guys. I love this bob look. It is so beautiful. I love the fact that it is bouncy. So as usual, guys, this video is self-explanatory, so please sit back and relax. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you're interested in purchasing hair from Luvme Hair Company. They sell amazing quality. I've worked with them before, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. First glance failure, I can just see that I am working with quality hair. I'm working with a company that understands quality. Okay, so I'm going to quickly put it on, so enjoy the rest of the video. Guys, this wig is not going anywhere. Okay, look at this. I'm literally pulling it off my head and it's not going anywhere. This is what we mean when we talk about glueless wigs. Okay, this is what we mean. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to cut the lace.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wavy wig from Luvme Hair Company. I'm so impressed. I love the texture, I love the quality, I also love the density of the hair. It is super full, you guys. I love the bob situation that is going on here. Oh my goodness, I'm really impressed. And also I think y'all can see that I can just literally lift my lace and put it back in place. Okay, I can lift my wig like this and put it back in place. It is literally like, this wig is, the lace is really transparent, you guys. Let me show you. That's it, period. Like I can't take the fact that this wig is literally giving what it's supposed to give, you guys. I'm so happy. Yes, okay, so until next time, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curly memes. Bye guys.